Hello friends, welcome to my channel. As promised, I am back with my new video on basic radicals on salt analysis. So there is a step 5 solution of cations, and please watch this full video because I will give you the questions also here. So please be with me. Let's start. Okay. Number one, there are in cations basic radicals. There will be seven group. Okay, seven group will be there. So the group reagent you have to remember. First group, the group reagent is dilute HCl, in which lead is present. In second group, H2S gas is there, in which copper and arsenic is present. Group reagent you have to remember. Okay. Third group, iron and aluminum is present, in which NH4Cl and excess of NH4OH is there. Clear? And fourth group, nickel and zinc are there, and the group reagent is H2S gas. Okay. Remember that for H2S gas we use Gibbs apparatus. Okay, Gibbs apparatus is an instrument used for making H2S gas by sulfide. Okay, sulfide ion, it makes a H2S gas. Next, moving towards fifth group, it contains barium, strontium and calcium. Barium, strontium and calcium. So it have the group reagent ammonium carbonate. Ammonium carbonate will be the group reagent. And sixth group reagent is disodium hydrogen phosphate, in which sodium and magnesium are coming. In zero group, the ammonium salt is there, and the group reagent is NaOH. Let's start the first step. How you have to start with the cation test. First you have to make the original solution. Now what is the original solution? Original solution is the aqueous solution of salt. You have to take salt in test tube. Okay, you have to add some ml of water and you have to dissolve that salt. That salt will be your original solution. If it is not dissolved, you can heat it. After some time it can be dissolved. Okay, there are some chances it will be dissolved automatically, but if it will not dissolve, you should heat it. You prepare OS, original solution, plus you have to add NH4OH, ammonium hydroxide. Okay, ammonium hydroxide, there are two conditions will be there. If you observe blue color, listen carefully, if you observe blue color, your copper will be confirmed. Okay, and if you observe white color, then your arsenic is confirmed. Clear, guys? If this both doesn't happen, you have to in that same test tube you have to add potassium ferrocyanide solution, and there will be also another two possibilities will be there. Bluish white, if the bluish white is there, Zn2 plus will be confirm zinc, and if the only blue solution is there, there will be iron. There is I want to give you a suggestion that you have to before starting cation test basic radical, you make original solution first in beaker. You take 4 to 5 spatula of salt which you have given in the exam, and add amount of water in it, and then NH4OH, because again and again you have to prepare OS. That's in the basic radical, so you prepare once, it will escape your time. Okay, this will be the first step. Now moving towards the second step. Step number second, you have prepared the OS already. Okay, in that NH4OH you have to again we have prepared 2-3 drops of blue litmus solution will be there, plus excess NH4OH. Okay, if blue PPT will be like this, here you can see here, blue PPT is there, this blue PPT is there, colorless solution turns into blue PPT. Okay, then the aluminum is confirmed, aluminum will be confirmed. Okay, so this test is for aluminum, third group. And the next is, if anything is not there, then you can test for zero group also. First you have to take the OS, then the Nestle reagent. Nestle reagent, what do you mean by Nestle reagent? It can be asked in the Viva. The this formula is K2HgI4. We can discuss in the questions also. K2HgI4 is the K2HgI4 is the formula of Nestle reagent which is used for the detection of ammonium ion. Okay. Nestle reagent plus HCl. If you will get brown PPT, then it will be ammonium confirm. Okay. If these steps are not happening, okay, listen me carefully, that these steps are not happening, then you have to discard the solution, and again you have to take the solution, original solution, and then move to the step number 2. Okay. Now moving towards the step number 3, we have made the solution already, original solution. Please distribute the solution in 4 test tube, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. First, if you add K2Cr2O4 potassium chromate, there are two possibilities. It can make either yellow PPT, or yellow PPT will be immediately yellow PPT will be formed. Then you may confirm, you may tell that there are two possibilities of lead and of barium. Now the test is not confirmed, only yellow PPTs come, then it may be possible that it can be lead or it can be barium. In that test tube only you have to take potassium iodide. You will take potassium iodide Ki solution of Ki. Okay, Ki solution. If yellow precipitate will form, then it will be lead, confirm lead. Okay. If no yellow precipitate form, then it will be barium. Okay. And next step, you have to take the group reagent in original solution. The group reagent is ammonium sulfate. If white PPT observed, strontium is present, and if in the solution you add ammonium oxalate with the original solution, white PPT form, then it will be calcium. Okay, there is a difference. Here ammonium sulfate is there, and here ammonium oxalate is there. This is the whole process of the salt analysis, and let's discuss about the questions of the salt analysis first. Okay, what is salt analysis? Salt analysis means by, what do you mean by salt analysis? Analysis of cations and anions present in a inorganic salt. Anions and cations present in inorganic salt, and it is a quantitative analysis. There are two types of analysis: quantitative analysis and qualitative analysis. This is a quantitative type of analysis. Second question, what is primary test? Primary test means the starting test performed first. Okay, it is performed first in the salt analysis. It is used for getting an indication of radical. This we have done. The starting test, that is known as primary test. Next question, which of the following element cannot be detected by Lasagna test? Lasagna test, you know that by sodium piece we confirm the Lasagna solution. Okay, you have to heat it, and it is from functional group, though we will make a video of functional group also. So fluorine cannot be detected by the Lasagna test. Only nitrogen containing groups is there. Okay, fluorine cannot be detected by Lasagna test. Remember that. And most important thing, examiner can ask in the viva that flame colors of the barium, strontium and calcium. Okay, you have to see that if flame is there, calcium gives brick red color flame, strontium gives crimson color, and barium gives apple green color. This is so important, asked many times in the exam. Okay, next question is, name any iron salt which is light green. Ferrous sulfate, you have seen that ferrous sulfate is light green in color. What is function of blue glass in flame test? The blue glass can absorb part of whole color light in certain cases. The flame appears to be different color when viewed through the blue glass. This is the help indication of some basic radicals. It helps in the indication of some basic radicals. Okay. Next question and last question, that is very important. What is Nestle reagent? K2HgI4. I have given you the formula for detection of ammonia. It is solution of mercuric chloride, mercuric iodide, and potassium iodide. Okay, this is the Nestle reagent. Zero group. And I hope you like my video. Please like and subscribe, and please share the video as many as possible. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye.